This video will go over how to set up Persian language, aka Farsi, for 1.15 any percentage search crafting. First thing you need to do is install the language in your PC. To do this, you want to go to Windows search bar and search language. Click on language settings. Once opened, you want to click on add a language and then search Persian. Like this. There's a version and it's this one. Then click next and install the thing. From here we have two methods. Method one is the macro that is here. You can download it here. I'll link this doc in the description. You can download this macro and your keyboard layout will be like this. You can also look at this layout and remember it. If you want to look at it, you can just go in the doc. The second method that I will recommend using is this custom keyboard layout that I made. It's just a straight up better, has less problems with rebinding, basically no problems because it doesn't rebind your things. So you don't need to tweak your hotkeys in game and stuff. It works better and it's better for preventing bugs that will maybe happen with HK. Remember to use only one of these at a time. You can't use both of them. As if you use both of them, your coffins will be absolutely messed up. You need to either use this one, this macro, or this custom keyboard layout. If you want to use this, after downloading it, you want to extract it to the folder. After extracting, you want to run setup.exe, and it should just install. When you install the thing, you want to go back to the settings and language tab. You want to click on these three dots in the Persian. Click on language options. Now from here, you want to click on add a keyboard and choose this one, Persian 1.15 search bar. It's gray for me because I've already chosen. It should be white for you. And if you click on it, it adds here. I also recommend deleting this one so it doesn't mess up your craftings. And it's just clear. After this, you want to change your in-game language to Persian. To do this, we want to go to our instance folder. Click on .minecraft and open config. From here, we're going to go to install options. This is for when CQ hasn't came out. You want to Control F and then search lang. And it pops up here. Change this thing from whatever it is to FA_IR. For when CQ comes out, you can just go in game and go into the book and quill and center settings and just change the language from in the game. I'll show what it looks like in the game later. You can also use this directory as well. Just after config, go to MCSR and then settings.json instead, and then just Control F lang and FA_IR. The next thing you need to know is that after opening your instance, the characters will be displayed wrongly. It should be written from right to left, as Persian is written from right to left, but after opening your instance in any version pre 1.16, this happens and they will be written from left to right. To fix this, you just click on options and language. And it's fixed. It's now fixed and correct. It's literally this, just options and language. Just do this before starting your session. If you don't do this, it won't mess up your craftings, but it will mess up your subtitles. These things that I listed here, these subtitles, lollipops, blaze breathers, these will be messed up. So I just recommend you doing this, going to language tab after opening your instance. There is no reason to not do that as well. Then there's just everything in the stock. The crafts are listed here, the keyboard layout, the things that you need to remember. Also listed all these pictures of these crafts here. So if you want to take a look at them to see if the things. My favorite ones are this one because literally all the worker stations that you need, and this one because if you're in a library, you can just craft a sword and then put the same thing and craft a wool. like it's really good for like someone with low bed or like igloo no bed runs that you need to go in the library and thing. And the weird crafts are this one. This is stickcraft. This is stickcraft is only weird if you are doing it in crafting table. Like you shouldn't be crafting a secret crafting table, but if you are, it will mess up. Like I recommend crafting this one in your inventory. If you do this in your inventory, it will be like only sticks and pressure plate and buttons. Like it's very clean. And for fletching table, you just use this one. Like it's just straight up better. Like all workstations, just put this one and all workstations just pops up. The other weird, like kind of weird craft is this one. Has like it's mainly for TNT, but if you want to do bow and arrow, this is like for TNT bow and arrow and alternate beds. Like bed has this one, but if you want to do this one, this is like alternate bed craft. About like comparison between Persian and Ukrainian, I would say like these two languages are really pretty like close. Like in the original like Ukrainian Dark by Antricus, there's no axe, like 2-character axe only craft, but this one has it, and if you like include that craft, the Ukrainian actually has it. If you include that, the different like combinations will be 13 in Ukrainian, but here it is 12. So this is just like there's one combination less, and like these are like quite close on the keyboard as well if you look at them. Like not pretty, but like the furthest is probably like space A for the thing, like, and it's just not like far either. So like it's pretty good. Like some say Ukrainian is better, some say Persian is better. If like I won't say switch to this one if you already know Ukrainian, but you might as well. And yeah, this is like easily top 3 language for 150. And that's pretty much it. If you want to like, if you have any questions or comments, you can just DM me in Discord. And that's pretty much it.